Welcome back. In the previous video, we learned how to create questions using paragraph or long questions or short questions, multiple choice questions and checkbox questions, and even we learned many questions, right? In this video is a crucial point we're going to study is about evaluation. Evaluation will be of two types in Google Forms. One is automatic, another one is manual. Now, how do I make it automatic and how do I make it manual? And I'm going to explain you very briefly. Be careful and focus here more. So we have entered into our Google Form here. You can see here principles of management and other things which we have already created. We have created section A. We have not created section B yet. We can create it anytime soon. The same way as we have added section B. I will show you that also. How to create section B. See here. Alright, it's section B. And this will be like long questions. I'm going to make a section for this long questions, and then I can drag it anywhere if I want, anytime, anywhere I want I can do it. Section 3, right? See, I can copy paste anything. So this is the thing which is there. Now I'm going back to section 1. Then I want to have a questions. First thing is automatic question. In automatic valuation, even if there is a short, usually automatic valuation is used for short questions. Even a short paragraph, then I can have an answer key here. The answer key, like, or I have a question which is like what is the capital of India? So correct answer would be New Delhi or just Delhi, right? That's the correct answer. Now you can mark other answers, all other answers as incorrect. You can check it, and or you can, if you want to add more feedback, you can add it, but I want to have it. So let me change the question. What is the capital of India? So for this, for me it is showing correct answer. See, the correct answer is suggested correct answer already, New Delhi. It's very smart, right? Now this is for the questions which are short, so wherein we can create answers even if there are short questions. Now for multiple choice questions which we have already created in our previous video, here we have chose an answer key as a 2, which is showing it very clearly. See here, you don't need to go to there only. You can, once you press on the question, it shows with the right mark that this is the right question which you have, right answer which you have chosen. What if I have a multiple check questions which is there here down? I can bring this question here because it is not a long answer question in section B, so I want it to be here. Now I want to have an answer key for multiple choice question, and I'm going to add here multiple questions, and I'm going to give it to mark a question, and I'm going to say done. Or if I want a feedback here, I can enter a feedback here, feedback to student. I'm just going to say save. Or if I have any URL link I can share, or if you have any explanatory videos which you have created in YouTube, you can just press on it, you can take it to video search, you can search it. Or if you have already have a URL, like YouTube URL, you can directly write it here, paste it, and then you can post it. There are different ways. You can add more correct answers here, like feedback, then explanations and everything you can add. Here we don't want it, so I'm just going back it. Yes, I'm going to press here. We have chosen these two answers as a correct answer, right? And then I'm going to say done. So this is how you're going to correct answers, and this is how it is. Everything is getting automatic. See, once I'm going to submit it, it's going to show me that these are the correct answers. If I'm going to choose these answers, that will be shown as a correct answer. Otherwise, it will not. Okay. So here I have not added any correct answer for this question. So let's see what will happen if I don't add it. Okay. But I have to add points to it, so I'm going to add points to it, just 2 points, and then now I will take you upstairs. Here you can see total 8 points. That means total 4 questions I have chosen as 2 mark questions. So it shows you for this for your valuation. Now I'm going to have it. Now as usual, I'm going to enter my something as gmail.com. I'm going to add it as gmail.com, and then I'm going to go for the next one. Here I'm going to add something called as just, I'm going to add Delhi. I'm going to add just Delhi. Then I'm going to choose the wrong answer here, 3 point. And I'm going to choose here correct answers, 2 questions I'm selecting. Then here I'm going to choose something as some answer which we have not checked for that, and then here I'm going to choose like how do I upload a file. I'm not going to upload any file here, just simply I'm going to submit everything. Okay, and this is not a required question, it's not a start question, it will take as a submit. So this is how student can submit their answers. So that's how they can do it. It's taking time, so the response has been recorded. Now once I'm coming to my admin, you can see here response is marked as 1. Now I'm going to make it as a response. I'm going to click here, summary. See, the student has taken only 2 out of 8 points. Median, range, you can get it here. What is the score of the individual student? See, what is the answer the student has given? Is it correct answer or wrong answer? Now if you say release score, that means the scores will be released to the particular email of the student, this email student. Now the answer is here, one response, and then see here, question 3 has been taken as the only correct answer. Question 1 has been taken. This is the correct option which I have chosen, which you can see individually. Like here, actually you are seeing as individual, but if you have more responses, summary you can see like where your students have faltered and everything you can see. Then the questions you can see like which question, what is the answer has been responded. And if I say here, like if I press here, I'm going to get next question, I'm going to get next question. And if it is individual, like they have 300 responses, you can just click on going next. Individual responses, answers will be given, shown to you as we have shown. And you can release scores of individual also. And then here you can take the print of the responses, or what you can do is you can just click on it and you can use the download CSV of the responses. Once you do this, you will get all the answers as in an Excel sheet, and the scores will be mentioned there. No need to rework again. This Excel sheet will work as a score sheet for you guys. So now this is all about adding, it's automatic. See here, the student score has been given and it is ready to release 2 out of 8 points. That means everything is done automatic. And what if I'm going to have a manual response? I want to show you that. Here what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go to settings. This is very important. In the quizzes, I'm going to make it later after manual. I'm going to have it. This is very significant. Please keep it as saved. Okay. And then I'm going to add, like for example, there is a valuation. This is very significant question. Like when a student, a respondent have an answer, how do I manually grade it? Okay. Now the same question here, ensure that you will not have any answer keys here. See, I haven't checked all the answers which I had already inputted before in the previous video. So I'm going to do one simple thing here. I'm going to make it everything as manual. I'm not going to add any answer key here, and it will be automatically considered as a manual entry. Now I'll respond it as a student. To respond as a student, I have to click on preview button. Now see, I'm going to respond again something as gmail.com. Even though I am adding it this email ID, but it will automatically take to this email ID also. So I'm going to have questions here. I'm going to write something here, blah blah blah. I'm going to select here correct answer. I'll select this is the wrong answer, and this is any blah blah question. I'm going to go for the next one. See here that the position where you are, it's your progress. And then see here, there is a question like this wherein student have to write the answer and then you have to upload it. Now how do I respond it? See here, I'm going to have two options here. Select line from your device. I can directly go to quick access like desktop. I'm going to have it. I have it in desktop, so I'm going to select it and I'm going to upload it. Or what I can do is I can go to my Google Drive. If I have added my any files therein, if any file I have, then I can respond here. There is another way also. Like I don't have any images now. What if I don't have any images there? How to add images to Google Drive? Very simple. Go to Google Drive, press on new button, say file upload, select the file destination. File is getting uploaded here. Starting upload. File is uploaded, green button. Now you can see that image is here. I have added here image. Now I am a respondent here. right? Now I'm going to go for my drive. I'll redo it. Add file. I'll go to my drive, and here it is getting loaded now. You can see that image is there here. I'm going to just press on this image and I'm going to say select it, and student will respond it. Now this is about I'm going to submit it. This is as a student how I'm going to respond, and then if the student has responded it, how would I evaluate it? That's very significant. That's why you're here. And now see, so there is no average, there is no median, there is no range because you have not evaluated it yet, right? Now I'm going to manually edit everything. Now how do I do it? Very simple. I'm going to go to questions. Now ungraded response is there, so I'm going to trade this question. See, the student has selected this as an option. First question first. I'm going to grade it, right? So I'm going to take it for first thing you should go to individual. Then I'm going to go for down. Then I'm going to take it grading. See, for me, GD is what is the capital has been written as a GD. So it is a 0 marker. I'm not going to write it. This is a 2, but by default it is selected a wrong answer because you have not given the correct answer. So you can give 2 marks. Now next, this is the wrong question, so you're going to grade it 0 mark. Now I'm going to go down, and here it's 3, so let's give 2 marks to the student. Okay, I'm the student, so long question is there. Here is a image which we have uploaded. Now assuming that this is a handwritten image of the student, now I'm going to press on it, and the image opens here in this new folder. I'm going to analyze it completely. I'm going to read it completely. If you want, you can download that response also. Once it is loaded, see, I'm going to evaluate it. I'm going to design. I'm going to see it. Yeah, okay. You can add a comment here, and then you can see, you can add comment, and that will be viewed to the student. If you want any comments to be added there, or else, yeah, I have evaluated here. Now I'm going to go back to this full form, and I'm going to give him 2 marks. Right, and then I say save. That's all. So that's the end. This student has got so much marks. You can release the score and at the same time, or you can wait for this score. Now you can see the summary. Summary has been changed. It is going to now come to 6 out of 8 points, 6 out of 8 points, and all. See, the total score has 6. Now it is changing everything. Right. This is how you can add it. You can do valuation in manual also and automatic value also. I hope it added value to you. Please share with your colleagues. Thank you for visiting this channel. Good day.